Let's discuss limiting access to an Apache website. The two options for security are user-based and host-based. We discuss host-based security first because it's fairly easy to configure. The simplest method for limiting host-based access to an Apache website is with the allow and deny directives, but it may be a little counterintuitive. If you see order allow, deny, that means if clients are listed in both allow from and deny from directives, the client is denied access. Order deny allow, in contrast, means that if clients are listed in both deny from and allow from directives, the client is allowed access to your website. With that established, the allow from and deny from statements are fairly easy to configure. You could use partial domain names, such as allow from vtc.com, which would allow access from all systems on the vtc.com network. You could use different combinations of IP addresses. A specific IP address, such as deny from 10.11.12.13, a network netmask pair in regular notation, such as 192.168.0.0 / 255.255.255.0, or the equivalent network address insider notation. To set this up, you actually need to put things in a directory container. It doesn't work in the virtual host container, but you can specify the same directory container as was specified for a virtual host. In this case, www.docs/vh1.example.net. Here I've done it real simply. I allow access from the 192.168.0.0 network insider notation. I could add a deny from all directive to deny access to everybody else. Another example here. I deny from the crackers.org network, which denies access to all systems with that domain name extension. User-based security is more complex. It can be configured in a separate htaccess file if you prefer, and user-based security only works in website subdirectories. So I set up a second directory container in a subdirectory. Basic authentication is not encouraged because it allows usernames and passwords to be sent in clear text, but we're just setting up Apache for a basic operation. The auth name is the label. The auth user file is where you set up a username and password database. And the list of authorized users from that database is one user, myself. So let's save these changes. Restart the service. And to make this work, I have to use the htpassword command to create the database in the authuse file directory. I confirm the result. And I see a password. Now let's navigate to a remote system. Let's see what happens when I go to the regular vh1example.net website. I didn't secure that, so that's as expected. Now let's try the secure subdirectory. Aha! I'm prompted for a username and a password. And there it is.